Hi friends, my name is Hortense and I'm the Programs Coordinator here at the Children's Museum Houston. Today's activity is brought to you by Phillips 66. We will be making marigolds in celebration of Día de los Muertos. Día de los Muertos is a celebration in Mexico, normally on the 1st and 2nd. However, it has transcended borders and is celebrated everywhere, where we create colorful altars and colorful decorations, just like the flower that we're making today. Let's get started with the materials that you need for the activity today. You will need a pair of scissors, pipe cleaners, and tissue paper. I just got the larger tissue paper, cut it in half, and cut it half again, and came out with a square that was about 10 by 10. You will need about 4 sheets. You will stack them up evenly. You will begin by folding the tissue paper about an inch in, and then go back and forth folding. Okay, now that you have folded it up like an accordion, you will fold it in half so you know the center of your tissue paper, just like this. Then you would get any pipe cleaner, any color, then you will put it in the little fold and fold it over so you can attach the tissue paper to the pipe cleaner. Make sure to leave a little excess so that way you can wrap it around the pipe cleaner. Just like this. Okay. Now the marigold has a sort of pointed round petal. So you're going to take your scissors. You're going to start about an inch down and cut it to a point. And then you would do the same to the other side. Okay. Now that you have that, you're going to separate the 4 sheets of tissue paper. Be careful because they are delicate. Okay, just like this, and then you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Okay, and you can fluff it up if you want it to be more fluffy or if you want it to be more closed. It's up to you. And there you go. You have your Día de los Muertos marigold flower. Thank you for spending your time with me, friends. Hope you enjoyed making your flower today. If you have any questions or comments about Día de los Muertos, please leave it below in the comments. My name is Hortense, and see you next time. Bye, friends.
Hi, my name is Maddie and welcome to our virtual story time from the Children's Museum Houston. Today we will be reading an English book sponsored by Phillips 66. Today's story is called Día de los Muertos, written by Roseanne Greenfield Fawn, and pictures by Carlos Ballesteros. It's Día de los Muertos. The sun's coming round as niños prepare in each pueblo and town. For today, we will honor our dearly departed with celebraciones. It's time to get started. At home, we've adorned our altares with care. They're heaped with recuerdos and good things to share. Sweet calaveras, so sugary white. They give toothy smiles, but never a fright. A black and white photo of Grandpa Padilla, who's riding on horseback just like Pancho Villa. And toys for remembering small angelitos, the train and dollhouse are both favoritos. Then off to the graveyard we head, with ofrendas and colorful blankets to make meriendas. We carry incenso and velas to burn that will guide spirits back for their yearly return. And bursts of calendulas, fragrant and bright, the color of sunsets and gold candlelight. A path of pétalos will help lead our guests to pillows and blankets for taking a rest. Above we hang streamers of papel picado that wave in the breeze like a rainbow pintado. We giggle at paper cut banners we like, esqueletos riding a horse cart or bike. We share in the foods that our guests love to eat, fresh fruit and tamales, a holiday treat, and clay pots of grandmother's fresh chicken stew with mugs of atole, a chocolatey brew. But everyone's favorite is sugary bread, called pan de muerto, with bones of the dead, that offers our travelers a much-needed snack from the weary viaje that brought them all back. Then after our lunch comes the part we love most, putting on makeup to dress like a ghost. In veils and costumes, we join the parade. Although we wear huesos, no one is afraid. Gilberto has scars that have a special corona. Anabel looks like the real La Llorona. Joaquin's snow white barba sweeps down to the floor, while Luz looks like someone we've all seen before. And just as the marigold clouds end the day, dancers and músicos come out to play. They wear special shells that go clickety-clack to wake up espíritus, calling them back. As candle flames glisten, our smiles are bright. Our ancestors know we are with them tonight. They return to their world without sadness or fear, knowing they'll stay in our hearts till next year. The end. Thank you for joining us for virtual story time, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!